Under the bright sun, Ali arrives at an open field, a vibrant yellow kite named Kito clutched in his eager hands. The gentle breeze teases Kito, promising an exhilarating dance in the vast expanse of the open sky. Ali's eyes sparkle with anticipation, ready to unleash Kito into the airy canvas above. The field awaits, bathed in sunlight, ready to witness the joyous flight of a boy and his kite. In an open field bathed in sunlight, Ali sends Kito soaring into the vast blue sky. Kito dances with the wind, a graceful ballet of flight against the canvas of the day. Children watch with wide eyes, their faces lit with wonder and pure joy. A chorus of delighted clapping erupts as Kito twirls higher, captivating every gaze. The field transforms into a stage where dreams take flight and imagination knows no bounds. Against the boundless sky, Kito ascends, a mere speck, propelled by dreams and daring, her laughter carried by the wind. The wind whispers secrets as Kito surges higher, a symphony of freedom echoing in her exhilarated cry.
Flying is so much fun. Her voice rings out, vibrant against the backdrop of endless blue.
Gazing down, she marvels at the world transformed, a tapestry of green and gold unfurling beneath her. "Look how beautiful the world looks from up here," Kito exclaims, her spirit soaring as high as her body. In this moment, Kito embodies the boundless joy of flight, a solitary figure painting dreams across the sky. Under the open sky, Kito dances, a silhouette against the sun, his movements like a bird taking flight. He twirls, an ethereal figure suspended in the air, defying gravity with each graceful turn. Below, children erupt in laughter, their faces tilted upwards, mesmerized by Kito's aerial ballet. Their joyous shouts echo across the open field, a symphony of pure, unadulterated delight. Kito floats, a beacon of freedom and joy, his dance a gift to the world, celebrated by the children. In an open field bathed in sunlight, Kito smiles warmly at a group of children, his eyes sparkling with joy. He gestures towards the kites dancing vibrantly in the sky, a gentle breeze rustling playfully through his hair. "You can have fun with kites like me," Kito exclaims, his voice filled with warmth and enthusiasm. He advises, "Fly us in open spaces, away from roads, electric wires, and buildings." Kito's expression turns earnest as he cautions, "Use safe thread and always play in daylight." Under the vast open sky, Kito's face clouds with worry, sunlight reflecting off his anxious eyes as he surveys the scene. His gaze sharpens, scanning the sky for unseen dangers, a silent alarm ringing in his expression. "Be careful," Kito warns, his voice tinged with urgency. "Some people use dangerous glass-coated thread. This is very risky," he exclaims, concern etched deeply on his face. In an open field, Kito gestures, his brow furrowed with concern as he addresses the children. The children, once laughing, now listen intently, their eyes wide with apprehension and curiosity. Kito warns, "It can cut hands, harm birds, and even cause serious accidents." His words hang in the air, painting a vivid picture of potential danger for the children. Under the open sky, a child's hand grips a kite thread, an innocent game turned dangerous. Sunlight catches the minuscule shards of glass coating the line, transforming it into a shimmering blade. Each tug of the thread sends a silent ripple of potential peril across the vast field. The bright, cloudless day belies the hidden danger held delicately in a child's grasp. A seemingly harmless kite string becomes a menacing weapon under the glare of the sun. Sunlight floods the open field, painting the kites with vibrant colors as they dance in the sky. Kito, radiating warmth, stands amidst the spectacle, his gestures full of sincerity. "Always use safe cotton thread," Kito urges, his voice carrying on the gentle breeze. "Protect nature and people while enjoying kite flying," he adds, a plea for responsible joy. Under the open sky, Ali looks up, a hopeful smile lighting his face. His eyes sparkle with determination, reflecting the vast, limitless sky above. With genuine sincerity, he reassures Kito, his voice filled with a promise. "We promise, Kito, we will fly you safely and responsibly," Ali declares. The bright, open field stretches out before them, a stage for dreams. In the expansive field, Kito dances in the sky, a beacon of light against the blue canvas. Kito's radiant form shines, mirroring the warmth of the sun, filling the open space with joyous energy. The children's promise echoes, their words painting a vivid picture of hope and resilience. Reassured, a gentle peace settles as the weight of worry lifts, replaced by a burgeoning sense of optimism. Sunlight warms open fields, alive with the joyful echoes of children's laughter carried on a gentle breeze. Colorful kites dance against the vast, clear sky, each a beacon of carefree innocence and boundless dreams. Tiny hands grip cotton thread, a delicate balance between control and letting go, guiding dreams skyward. Eyes scan the horizon, a watchful gaze ensuring safety amidst the boundless joy of open skies. A symphony of giggles and whispers fills the air, painting a portrait of unadulterated, youthful glee. In this moment, time stands still, capturing the pure essence of childhood's fleeting, precious simplicity. On a busy city street, a motorbike rider speeds along, unaware of the danger ahead. Tires screech as the rider swerves violently, narrowly avoiding a deadly, invisible trap. A glass-coated kite thread stretches taut across the road, glinting almost imperceptibly in the sun. The motorbike wobbles precariously, a dance on the edge of disaster playing out in a heartbeat. With skill and a burst of adrenaline, the rider fights to regain control, averting catastrophe. The city street, a stage for near misses and silent dangers lurking in plain sight. A small bird lies helpless, its wing twisted, ensnared in discarded kite string on the cold ground. A child approaches cautiously, their small face etched with concern for the injured creature. Kneeling, the child's brow furrows as they assess the delicate situation, a silent promise to help. Tiny fingers work with surprising dexterity, gently untangling the bird from its plastic prison. Freedom! The bird is released, and the child carefully scoops it up, a surge of relief washing over them. Cradling the fragile life, the child walks towards the shelter of the trees, a tiny guardian. In the expansive open field, children's laughter echoes, their playful figures dotting the landscape below. Kito soars high above, her form a watchful silhouette against the bright, endless sky. Sunlight bathes the scene, casting a golden hue over the joyous activities of the children. She circles gracefully, a guardian spirit ensuring their safety and happiness in the open field. Her presence is a comforting symbol, a beacon of security for the children at play. The wind whispers through the tall grass, carrying with it the carefree sounds of childhood joy. As the sun sets, the open field transforms into a canvas awash with vibrant hues of orange and gold. Ali and the children become silhouettes against the radiant sky, a peaceful end to their day of play. They busily pack up their colorful kites, their laughter echoing softly in the twilight air. Kito, carefully wrapped, lies among them, a silent promise of more soaring adventures to come. The field is bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, a perfect close to a day of joy and freedom. Kito the Kite, a fun story about safe kite, flying for kids, safety and fun in the sky.